In this question, you're given that y is f of x square plus 2 and f dash of 3 is equal to 5. You're asked to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. So here y is equal to f of x square plus 2. So what is dy by dx? So this is of the form f of g of x, right? Dy by dx is f of x square plus 2 dash. So we know that f of g of x whole dash is equal to f dash of g of x times g dash of x. This is the definition, or this is called chain rule. F of g of x composite function dash is equal to f dash of g of x into g dash of x. So f of this is something like g of x. So f of x square plus 2 whole dash is equal to f dash of x square plus 2 times the differentiation of x square plus 2 is 2x. Now dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is nothing but f dash of 1 square plus 2 is 3 times 2 into 1 again. F dash of 3 is given as 5, so 5 into 2 is 10 is the answer to this question.